Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into CapCut, the ultimate AI-powered video editing tool that makes content creation easier, faster, and more creative than ever. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, CapCut's got something for you. Powerful AI features, a simple yet flexible interface, multi-platform access, and a massive library of trendy assets. Stick around because I am going to walk you through how to use it step by step. Plus, the download link is in the description below, so let's get started. Once you have installed CapCut, available for your phone, desktop, laptop, or even browser, launch the app. You will see a clean interface like this. Right away, you have got options like create project to start from scratch or long video to shorts to turn your longer clips into reels or YouTube shorts. So first of all, let's go with create project. Let's start by importing a video. Click import and select the video you want to edit. Click the plus icon to add it to the timeline. Let's talk about one of CapCut's coolest features, AI captions. If you want to add captions automatically, just hit the captions tab, select your spoken language and let CapCut do the rest.
Hey everyone! I can't believe it, we hit 100,000 subscribers. A huge thank you from the bottom of...
You can even customize the captions, change the font, size, color and style.
Hey everyone! I can't believe it, we hit 100,000 subscribers. Hey everyone! I can't believe it, we hit 100,000 subscribers. A huge thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your support. It means the world to me.
And check this out, animated captions. Choose from different styles and preview them in real time. So you can edit your captions, you can adjust fonts, change colors and even apply animation effects. So don't forget to enable apply to all if you want the same style across all captions. Here we have CapCut's Trendy Material Library, a goldmine for creators. Here you can find trending intros, outros, backgrounds and stock clips. And if you need music, the audio section has royalty-free tracks to match any vibe. Just listen, drag and drop it onto your timeline. It's youthful, it's fresh, and it's all built in.
Hey everyone! I can't...
And want to spice things up? Go to text and add stylish titles or captions, tons of presets to choose from. Then hit stickers for fun icons like subscribe, like, or even seasonal vibes like Christmas or travel.
We hit 100,000 subscribers.
Over in effects, pick something flashy and apply it to your clip. And to add a transition between two clips, drag and drop a transition effect from the transition tab onto the timeline. You can preview and adjust transition duration as needed.
Subscribers, a huge thank you from the... Subscribers, a huge thank...
Next we have filters tab. Filters can totally transform your video. Just pick one, adjust the intensity and see the magic happen.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your support.
But wait, there is more. CapCut also has advanced tools like stabilizer, AI image enhancer, AI noise reduction, auto frame to adjust framing and remove flicker for better lighting. And CapCut's AI-powered background removal tool lets you eliminate backgrounds in one click. No green screen needed. And the retouch tool offers skin smoothing. You can adjust skin texture. Just drag the sliders for face shape, small face, slim width, thin length. You can adjust skin texture or brighten skin tones, and we have face reshaping to modify facial features like jawline, nose and eyes, and you can apply digital makeup. And if you want to change the voice in your video, CapCut got you covered. Choose from energetic, super bass, electronic or even classroom voices. You can also adjust the speed of your video, perfect for slow-mo or fast-paced action.
My heart for all your support. It means the world to me. I'm so grateful for this amazing.
And check this out, text to speech. Just type your text, choose a voice, and CapCut text to speech feature converts text into realistic voiceovers.
Everin accountability. We hit 100,000.
There it is, a voiceover without recording. Once you are happy with your edit, hit the export button, choose your resolution, format, frame rate, and even add a watermark if you want. CapCut lets you export in both horizontal and vertical formats, perfect for YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. And just like that.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video.
Your video is ready to share with the world. So what are you waiting for? Download CapCut using the link in the description and start creating amazing videos today. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.